Hi everyone, today I'm trying to create a very nutritious pancake recipe which is vegetarian and is loaded with veggies and fiber. We can call it Oppo potato pancakes or mixed veg pancakes or high protein pancakes. So to make these, I got 1 grated Oppo or Latke, so this is grated Latke, 2 cups of cabbage which are finely chopped. As you can see, there is 1 cup of gram flour. There is a bunch of spinach leaves. You can add as many as you like. These are finely chopped. I have 1 big boiled potato which we will mash. There is 3 to 4 green chilies finely chopped up to your taste. There is salt to taste, coriander powder about 2 teaspoons, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala powder and half a teaspoon of jeera powder. Of course, we'll use some oil to make it too. Let's start by adding in the boiled potato and let's smash it. The potato is mashed. Now let's add in the spinach, the green chilies, cabbage. Next, let's add in the Latke or the Oppo. This is peeled and grated. This is about one small size. And now let's give all of this a good mix. Time to add in the gram flour or besan. Just evenly spread it across. Let's also add in all the dry spices. And now use your hands to give it a good mix and let the water sink in from the Latke. No need to add additional water here. As you keep squeezing this and mixing it, you will start seeing it getting a little like a batter form. This looks all done, and now I am just going to heat the oven at a 350 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius, and we will cook it for 20 minutes on one side, flip it and cook it for another 20 minutes. The batter is all mixed up. It is the perfect consistency, but if you feel it's getting a little runny, feel free to add in more gram flour, or you could also add in some semolina or suji. Next, I am heating the oven at a 350 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius. And while that happens, take a baking tray, put in a parchment paper and spray in some oil. Also spray in some oil on your hands because now we are going to place these small pancakes and they should not stick to your hands. So I'm taking a small size like this, place it and then press it. There you go. You don't want them very thick because you want them nice and crispy. This is all set, and now let's give it a good oil spray, or you can just put in some oil, brush in some oil if you don't have a spray. And that is it. My oven is ready. I'm going to now bake this for 20 minutes, flip it and again bake it for 20 minutes.